Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, let's take a look at what is going on currently on the euro currency. You can see that yesterday's price action was mostly to the upside, and although we have expected that this pullback is possible, mostly due to the stop grabbers that have been formed on the 4-hour time frame, we have expected a bit smaller move to the upside. And personally, I initially thought that probably the butterfly that was in progress before the weekend will survive, but unfortunately it has been cancelled by this upward action. Well, and now we see that market is calling around the weekly pivot resistance 1. It's right here. It's 130.96 area, and here we could ask the question, maybe this is indeed the upward continuation to the area that we have discussed, because that in fact could be some kind of the butterfly sail that could develop here. If we will measure the extension of this swing to the upside, we will get approximately our weekly target. So taking the extension, we'll see that 127 extension stands around 132.60 area. It's very close to the 132.50 that we have discussed within the couple of weeks already. That is our target on the weekly time frame. And probably this could be some kind of the butterfly that could hit this target and later market could turn to the downside. But personally, I think that it's a bit early to talk about it, because currently take a look at what's going on here. Market at the resistance, the weekly pivot resistance 1. And take a look that the trend break-even point by the MACD indicator stands right in the same area. So here could be the stop grabber pattern. And if this will become true, then market will take out of these lows. That will be the minor target, the minimum target of the stop grabber, the previous swing low. That's why I think that it's still possible, this pattern to the downside. Okay. We could get this a bit greater ABCD pattern to the downside, and you can see that's the target of this pattern is slightly lower than 129.20, or it's around 128.77, 128.80 approximately. Well, that really could be the case, and until market will not done with this potential stop grabber pattern, it's better to not enter long. Wait the confirmation from the market that could give you the safety, a safe enter the long side. For that purpose, we need that there will no any stop grabber pattern right here. But now it looks like that it could be. If it will be the case again, then our expectation of deeper move to the downside is still possible. Well, that is a significant moment on the daily time frame now is in progress, so keep an eye on it. Because if it will be the stop grabber, it will be excellent opportunity to take the short position, because you will be able to place a rather tight stop with just tremendous potential reward for that stop. It will be that could be a really very interesting and thrilling moment to make the trade on the daily time from the euro currency. Well, if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame, here in fact the same pattern that we have just seen on the daily time frame. One moment to talk about it. That was our butterfly, if you remember it. It's right here. We said that probably it could continue to move lower, but here this candle and that candle was the stop grabbers on the 4-hour time frame. And we said, well, probably market will take out of these highs and continue to move down. So here was the attempt to do that. So you can see this highway pattern, some inside candle, when the market taking out of these highs, but later market has accelerated further and erased this butterfly. But currently we have the Gartner's triple to sell pattern and agreement with the destination point on this ABCD pattern, A, B, C, D. C bottom, completion point right at the 618 resistance of that swing down. So if it will be, as I said, regardless triple to sell, then we could see the continuation to the downside. And here again, this is now this potential stop grabber in progress. So if you're a scalper, you trade on the lower time frames, on the 15-minute chart, on the 5-minute chart, you could try to take the short with the small move to the downside, because if even this will be just the butterfly pattern, for instance, market will show some small retracement, continue move up, that will be the respect of this area, because this resistance, three different resistances stand in the same area: Fib resistance, target of this ABCD pattern, and weekly pivot resistance one. So some respect of this area is possible. And if you're a scalp trader, you can make even scalp short with this right around this area. Well, on the hourly time frame, what we see? Upward acceleration. Now we see the bearish stop grabber on the hourly time frame, completion of the butterfly sell. So a lot of different reversal patterns forming here. So guys, if even you trade on the daily time frame, you could think about the taking short here, but you should understand that you will take the additional risk because we do not have stop grabber in place yet. So that is the sort of decision that you should make. First of all, to take short here or not, because you could probably get the better entry point, but you will carry the risk that there will be no stop grabber market after the small respect of this resistance will continue to move higher. That is possible. Well, and if you will take short right now, then it will demand more attention and more responsibility, since you will have to manage this position, place initial stop. Then you should think, watch how market will behave with this respect of this area. Then you should manage your stop. So that will be a bit busy day for you if you take the short position currently. Or you could wait when the market will form the stop grabber here. If it will really appear by the close of the current trading session, well, that will be a bit simpler, since you will be able to try to take the short position on some retracement of this body of the stop grabber with placing stop above these highs, and that position will be a bit safer and easier to manage. So that choice is up to you. But here the major idea of current analysis is that I think that it's not done yet with this potential move down. This splash up looks nice, since it has cancelled our initial thought about the potential free drive and then our butterfly that could lead us here. Maybe that will be too easy. Then we now could get the garnish triple to sell with this greater compounding MBCD pattern down. That will depend on whether we will get the stop grabber here or not. That's major moments to watch for currently. And as the conclusion, you could make the two potential trades. First of all, if you're a scalper, you could take the short position with the scalp, some scalp target on some support from that swing, maybe 50%, maybe confluence support. As you can see here, you could get the confluence support from that in this low and this low. That will be the scalp trade. If you're a day trader, you could try to take the short here, but you should understand that we do not have stop grabber on the daily time frame yet. That will be a bit more risky. And finally, maybe it makes sense to wait, to skip current trading session, wait a bit, and take a look at this market again tomorrow, just to see will we get the stop grabber here or not. If we will get, then we will try to enter short with the target around 129 area. That will be the downward continuation. Because following our weekly analysis, we have said that probably market still could, based on the harmonic swings, it still could show the move to the downside. Well, that's in fact mostly will depend on the whether we will get this pattern or not. That's in fact all that we'd like to discuss with you today. You can see the situation on the EUR currency is rather interesting. So let's see how it will be resolved by the price action.